What we have here is a 2003 Ford Taurus. I'm going to show you real quickly how to change out the headlight assembly and how you can save yourself a few dollars. You can order them from Amazon or A1 Auto or any one of those online auto part dealerships. And these ones here, let's go ahead and show you how easy it is to change these things out. And it's just like if you want to change out, or if you need to change out a light bulb or something like that in it, it's pretty much, you have to do the same thing. But you have these two little metal clips right here. What you do, some of these are kind of hard to get out, and sometimes they come out pretty easy, but like this, I'm going to put a screwdriver underneath of it and just kind of leverage it up out of there. Same with the one right here. You can use a pair of long nose pliers or any pliers. Just grab a hold of it and pull them on up out of there. Make sure you don't lose them, because you're going to need those again. There's that one right there. You also have a little screw that goes right here that also holds in the headlight assembly. So let's go ahead and pop that out real quick. And that is a 8mm. That's another thing you got to be very careful you don't lose. Alright, there it is right there. Set the toolbox back in there. And right there, the headlight assembly comes out. You have access to the bulb ports. And to change these out when you order them, a lot of them come with the bulbs already in them. That's how I found it's better just to order the set. It's like $5 or $10 more to get the ones with bulb. Then the bulbs are already mounted and everything else, and all you have to do is unhook your wire right there. And it just snaps off. And then you snap the wire on the new one. And it's just like this. And that's how they come. Just make sure you line everything up like that. Right here, it needs to be into the slot right there. Alright. It's that simple. Just buy them with the, you can buy them without the bulbs, but then you gotta open the back end and put the new bulbs in there. Buy them with the bulbs. Extra $10 or $5, whatever it is, it's pretty darn cheap. That screw back in there. Make sure the back part or the light where it goes into that slot where the little pins go, make sure it's shoved back in there, and those pins just slide right back in there. Just like that. Simple as that. Quick, easy job. Save yourself hundreds of dollars. Like I said, you get them off of Amazon. You can get them vehicle specific. These same ones will fit any Ford Taurus from 2000 to 2007 models. And you seen how quick that was. All you had to do, the only difference is if you had replacing it, you just unhook that wire and set the new one in there and hook it right back up. So you'd be changing that out in 10 minutes. Alright, hope that helps some people who want to do it yourselves. Thanks for watching. Bye.